how to remove or delete your payment method on Clearpay. So if you decided you'd like to get rid of the payment method that you've added, maybe you want to change it, or maybe you want to add another one, either way it's quite simple to do so. All you have to do is just make sure to launch the Clearpay app and make sure that you're signed into your account. As you can see, I'm currently logged in. Then tap on the profile icon that you can see from the top left of the screen. As you tap on the profile icon, right here you'll see this interface where you can simply go to this option that says payment methods. So once you tap on the payment methods option, on the next page you'll see a couple of payment methods that you've added, with whether it's Apple Pay or your card or whatever else it is. So you can select. Now if you want to remove a certain payment method, you have to add another payment method and make that your preferred or the default payment method. Only then you'll be able to remove the other one. So if I want to remove Apple Pay here, you can see I have made my card, Visa card or MasterCard as a default method. Then only I'll be able to remove this. So I can tap on it and I can tap the remove option to remove it out. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.